This is how we pack our camping essentials when tent camping with kids. First, we put all non-perishable foods and small essentials into totes. The goal is to get as much as possible into each tote, and I've learned to start by putting the things we need last on the bottom and the things we need to actually set up our campsite, like our tent stakes, on top. Not a fun mistake to make. We have some delicious camping meals and always bring 2 large cutting boards and a reusable plastic tablecloth so we have a clean place to actually work with the food. A dishwashing station is a must. Ours has a collapsible bucket and a drying rack with dish soap and scrubbers. When camping at the beach, I always include beach essentials like a collapsible beach bag, small travel towels, and a quick dry beach blanket. Don't forget pot holders if you're cooking over the fire. Glow sticks are a must on family vacations. They literally come with us everywhere. My kids also love when we bring magnetic toys to the campsite, and chalk is actually one of the best things that we can use because there's always somewhere that they can color. Let me know if you want more details on any of our essentials because I would love to help your trip go smoothly. It is a personal challenge to get as much as possible into each tote, so I fill every available spot with something small like our lighter, extra stakes, and our portable inflator. We want to be prepared for anything, so you won't catch me without essentials like scissors, Ziploc bags, and zip ties. Lighting is one of the most important things to think about, and we bring several different types of light. We have a large rechargeable lantern that can hang in the tent or be put on a tripod that is extremely helpful when cooking at night or helping kids get into bed in the dark. A solar lantern is always helpful because it actually recharges throughout the day, and headlamps are a must so your kids can run around and play safely at night. Bonus, you can actually see where they are in the dark, but those glow sticks help with that too. I threw in dice for Yahtzee or Farkle because dice work so much better than cards at a campground because they can get wet and they don't blow away. Do not under any circumstance forget to bring garbage bags. They're going to make your trip so much easier. I use a plastic mesh bag to hold all of our liquids so it doesn't make a mess in the tote. We bring a lot of sunscreen because that's something I don't want to run out of, and a few hand sanitizers to have around the campsite. We also know that the campsites we stay at don't always have toilet paper or soap, so we always bring those too. When we leave the soap at the bathroom for anyone that didn't bring their own. On the top half of the tote, we start getting into the campground setup essentials that we don't want to dig for when we're setting up the tent. We have extra tent poles and stakes, but easily the best stakes are the drill-in stakes, which are the only way to get tent stakes into really hard ground. Just don't forget the drill. A regular hammer and rubber mallet are both also essential. One of the most helpful random things are clothespins. We use these to hang sweatshirts, swimsuits, and towels to dry from our canopy. Disposable dishes and silverware go on top so our kids can eat right when we get there. And this portable food warmer is really helpful for warming up meals like taco meat for taco in a bag or food like meatballs on the drive home. Campfire coffee is a rite of passage. It is the best, worst coffee you've ever had. There's something special about drinking a gritty cup of coffee right off the coals after sleeping in a tent. We bring real coffee cups because, let's be honest, we don't mind overpacking and they're just better to drink out of, and we wrap them in dish towels that we can use during the trip. By this point, I think my tote packing skills are some kind of sorcery because I have gotten so much stuff in here. We always do burgers night one because they're still frozen, so we need the grilling tongs on top, and every camper knows you need sticks for roasting marshmallows and hot dogs. An extension cord is a must if you're powering anything from your vehicle. Against all odds, I was able to get everything from the table into the tote only for us to knock our tote over as we were trying to load it. Because apparently packing totes is my random superpower, I was able to get it all back and we were on our way. Let me know what kind of camping tips and meals you want to see and follow so you don't miss them.